Blimey, I didn't know butter came in so many varieties. This shop's a treasure trove.
I know. Cheese shops always have such interesting things. Let's see, salted butter, unsalted, cultured butter, and look at these, flavored ones.
Flavored butter. What kinds are there?
Garlic and parsley, honey and nutmeg, smoked paprika, lemon zest with thyme, and look here, butter with dandelion greens and chicory.
Dandelion greens and chicory? That sounds a bit bitter.
You're right. That's what makes it so interesting. I love that earthy bitterness, it's got real character. I think it'll be lovely with roast potatoes.
You, and your adventurous taste buds. Are you sure you'll actually use it?
Oh, definitely. I could spread it on toast or use it in a salad dressing. It'd be amazing on grilled veggies too.
What about this one? Smoked paprika butter. That's more my speed, right?
It does sound nice, but I'm after something a bit more unusual today. Let's stick with the chicory butter. I love how it's a bit different.
You're always the one for the new and exciting. All right, chicory butter it is. Shall we grab a regular salted butter as well? We'll need it for cooking.
Absolutely. This one's locally churned and natural, so it's a good choice.
Good shout. What about unsalted butter?
No, I think we're fine with what we've got. We'll use the salted one for most things.
What about this with sea salt flakes? It's a bit fancy, but we could use it for baking or just with some good bread.
Tempting, but I'm in the mood for something with a bit more punch. The chicory butter's got that bitterness I'm after.
All right, chicory butter and the regular salted one. That's all we need, I suppose.
I think so. Maybe we'll pop over to the cheese counter after? You've had your eye on that blue cheese for weeks.
Oh, don't tempt me. We've already spent a bit today. Let's leave it at the butter.
Fine, we'll save the cheese for another time.